What are we going to get into today? Well, today is bottling day for our aged rum. Okay, it is looking beautiful. So what I want to do is filter through a couple coffee filters. There's one. I've been really looking forward to this. Oh, the smell is great. And then after we get this all done filtering, we get to taste a little bit. He got a beautiful color. Okay, let me get this done, then we'll be right back. Okay, so we got all of our aged rum. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles, almost 6 bottles. All right. I mean, it's nice color. It smells like rum. Beautiful smell of rum. I mean, rum does have a unique aroma to it. Very unique nose. Ooh. Now that's interesting. I taste the sweetness of the rum. I don't know how to describe it. You know, that rum taste, but then it's got a nice little burn to it, and it's got that wood, charcoal, wood taste, smoky taste to it. Oh, that is going to be one delicious sipping rum. Yes. Very good. That's very nice aged sipping rum. I think once it sits in the bottle for a while, it even get a little bit better, but I don't know how. Okay. Okay, so that's bottling of our aged rum. I like to say it's a success. I just got to put some labels on it, put it on the shelf. Remember to label everything, guys, because you think you're going to remember, but you won't. Ask me how I know. Yep, so make sure I'm going to put some labels on it and we'll go from there. Okay? Alrighty. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Oh, that is good. Yum.